Welcome to Healing Naturally with Asenath Nyabuto, where food becomes medicine and lifestyle is healing. Let's begin this journey together. One of nature's most powerful remedies is something we often overlook: pure, simple water. In our search for complex solutions, we forget the basics that keep us healthy. Many avoid water when unwell, fearing it will make things worse. But this is a misconception. Water is not to be feared. It's a vital tool for our bodies, cleansing and regulating us from the inside out. Think of your body as an engine. Water keeps it running smoothly. Denying ourselves water, inside or out, leads to sluggishness and poor health. Embrace water as a gentle, effective healer that supports your body's natural ability to restore itself. Drinking and bathing with water flushes toxins, invigorates the spirit, and costs almost nothing. By returning to this simple practice, you tap into an ancient, universal source of healing. Water is your body's natural detoxifier, helping every cell function at its best. Drinking enough water supports your kidneys and liver, flushing out toxins and boosting energy. Externally, bathing opens pores, releases impurities, and relieves your internal organs. Your skin, the body's largest organ, thrives when cleansed with water. Combine hydration and bathing with a healthy diet and movement for true vitality. Water transports nutrients, aids recovery, and amplifies the benefits of other healthy habits. This synergy builds a strong foundation for lasting health. By making water central to your routine, you restore balance, energy, and resilience. It's the simplest, most sustainable path to well-being. Bathing isn't a luxury. It's essential for everyone, healthy or ill. Daily baths wash away germs, invigorate the body, and keep skin, our first defense, strong. When sick, bathing helps expel toxins, regulate temperature, and soothe discomfort. Warm water improves circulation, delivers nutrients, and stimulates the immune system. A simple bath acts like a full-body tune-up, supporting recovery and resilience. Bathing is more than hygiene. It's a therapeutic practice for wellness and healing. Keep your skin clean and active to reflect and support your internal health. Make bathing a daily act of self-care and a cornerstone of your healthy lifestyle. To maximize water's healing, be mindful of when and how you use it. An evening bath relaxes muscles and calms the mind for better sleep. A morning shower energizes, wakes up circulation, and prepares you for the day. Consistency is key. Make bathing a deliberate wellness ritual. Teach children healthy bathing habits early. It sets the stage for lifelong wellness. For fevers, a lukewarm bath or sponge can comfort and help lower temperature. Beyond bathing, sip warm water or herbal teas and use cool compresses when unwell. Thoughtful water therapies restore balance, calm nerves, and support healing. The simplest things often hold the greatest power. Water is the ultimate healer. From your first glass in the morning to a soothing bath at night, water quietly restores and strengthens. Making water therapy a habit supports every other healthy choice you make. Hydration clears the mind, bathing strengthens the body. Combined with good food and movement, water unlocks true vitality. Your body's natural healing power is amplified by water, inside and out. Cherish and use water with intention. Let it wash away fatigue and support your health journey. The power to heal is simpler than you think. Embrace water as your lifelong ally.